Welcome to 3Commas. Today we will explain 6 amazing new features we have released in the last 3 months. They are designed to significantly enhance your trading experience. From the new Signal bot to the all-in-one control panel, each will assist you more while trading. Let's dive into these updates and see how they can revolutionize the way you trade crypto. First, let's talk about the Signal bot. We are excited to introduce a way to bring your TradingView signals straight into trades on popular exchanges like Binance, OKX, and Bybit. This tool is initially made for TradingView users. Now, it accepts signals from any source. For example, you can use a tweet shared on X as a signal and automate the process via IFTTT to trigger your bot. The Signal bot doesn't just let you use your signals from TradingView or other sources more broadly. It also puts you in complete control. You can choose and adjust your trading strategies, or you can confirm trades yourself, making sure everything matches your trading plan. With this bot, you have the freedom to manage your trades in ways that weren't possible before. Other 3Commas products already use webhooks. However, SignalBot goes beyond by using TradingView alerts to open and adjust trades. It provides unparalleled flexibility in the crypto industry. Whether you're just starting out or you've been trading for a while, the SignalBot gives you the power to use your trading skills in new and exciting ways. As the second feature, we are introducing multiple take-profit levels for our DCA bot, a highly requested update by our community. It is now available on the DCA bot setup page. This enhancement allows you to create up to 4 take-profit levels per trade. This way offers the strategic depth and adaptability crucial for navigating the dynamic crypto markets. With the inclusion of a trailing option for the final take-profit level, your profit targets can increase alongside rising markets, maximizing your gains. Third feature is the Beginner's Guide. For those just starting their trading journey or aiming to enhance their skills, we've added the Beginner's Guide tab directly to the dashboard. This section is your gateway to a range of resources designed to ease the learning process and fast-track your success in trading. From beginner-friendly guidance to step-by-step instructions for launching bots and a collection of detailed video tutorials, this tab is a comprehensive resource for all traders aiming to master trading bots. Fourth update is the new Control Panel tab. It's designed to transform how you manage DCA bot deals. You can now access them directly through the control panel placed in the main sidebar. This feature is currently in the beta mode, and it provides a unified interface for a detailed view of both active deals and trade history. It comes equipped with advanced filters, customizable columns, and options for bulk actions. These elements make the control panel a powerful tool for improving your trading efficiency and strategy, regardless of your experience level. Feature number 5 is the new Tokens and Futures table. We've updated our dashboard with this table to simplify your investments analysis. This enhancement increases the visibility and decision-making speed. Lastly, we've rolled out the Bybit Futures USDT Hedge mode for Smart Trade and Signal bot users. It is an advanced feature accessible through a unified trading account. This mode introduces additional flexibility and hedging options to your trading strategies. It's designed to leverage the full potential of your 3Commas toolkit on Bybit. To wrap it up, our updates from January to March are all about making trading better and giving you more ways to plan your trades. With these new features, you're ready to handle the crypto markets more confidently and smartly. Start to use these new features of 3Commas using the link below and boost your trading game. Happy trading!